And now I'm going to navigate to the next accessibility tip, which is use of the line and paragraph spacing tool. Now, this is such a great tool to help you create space in a document without creating unnecessary empty space that might be read by a screen reader as blank or empty group. So it's often recommended that when you need to create space in a document, you use this versatile tool instead of hitting enter multiple times. So let's talk about how to use the tool. Again, you're going to start in your Home tab and you're going to navigate to the formatting section and you're going to listen for or look for the line and paragraph spacing tool. Right now, I'm using my mouse to activate the drop down menu. And what's appearing are going to be different line spacing options. So 1.0 for single space, 1.15 for a little bit more spacing between sentences. What I'm going to go on and go down to is there is an option for remove space before paragraph, add space after paragraph. This is such a handy tool if you have a heading and you want to organize your document so there's a space between your heading and the paragraph information. Also, you can click on or select line spacing options, and you can go into the pop-up paragraph menu, and some of the elements here are general, including how you align your document, whether you want it left justified, right justified, your indents of the document, and then spacing. When you go to spacing, you can indicate if you how many points you want before the text, after the text, and this can be so helpful when you are creating a document that needs visual spacing for those to be able with visual acuity to take in the information. So I'm going to select OK. But one of the things that I have done in my document is anytime that I had an image, so that my image did not so closely fit next to the following text, I always added a space after paragraph. So that's an example of how I use this tool.